Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can connect Odoo with Shopify. So this is really quick and easy. What you will have to do is you will go to your app section right here, and then what you will do, or apps module, and then you will search for Shopify, and just wait for it to load. So you do have to make sure first, of course, that you do have the right version for this to work. And if you do have the full version or the correct version of Odoo, then you will see Shopify. So what you will have to do is simply uh click that, and then you will just have to click add Shopify store after you've installed it, and then after that you will just have to enter your Shopify store URL and click authorize and log into your Shopify account to confirm. Then you will just have to configure the synchronization settings, and then you will just have to choose your products, orders, and customers that you want to sync and click save. And finally, you will just have to run an initial sync and check your Odoo dashboard to confirm products and orders appear correctly. And that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.